Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews. How do I remove channels from Roku? Removing channels from your Roku device is a straightforward process that can help you declutter your home screen and streamline your streaming experience. Whether you're using a Roku TV, a streaming stick, or another Roku device, there are multiple methods to delete unwanted channels or apps. Removing channels from the Roku home screen. To delete a channel directly from your Roku device, start by navigating to the home screen using your Roku remote. Use the arrow buttons to highlight the channel you want to remove. Press the star, asterisk, button on your remote to open the options menu. Select Remove Channel from the list and confirm the action when prompted. This method is quick and effective for most free channels, such as Tubi or Pluto TV, and doesn't require additional devices. Note that this action removes the channel from all Roku devices linked to your account, keeping your setup consistent across multiple devices. Using the Roku Channel Store to delete channels. Another way to remove channels is through the Roku Channel Store, particularly useful for older Roku models. From the home screen, select Streaming Channels to access the channel store. Browse or search for the channel you want to delete, then highlight it and press the OK button on your remote. Choose Remove Channel and confirm the deletion. This method is handy if you're already exploring the channel store or if the channel isn't easily accessible on your home screen. Be aware that this option may not be available on newer models with updated firmware, which use a streaming store instead. Removing channels via the Roku mobile app. You can also delete channels using the Roku mobile app, available for free on iOS and Android. Ensure your phone and Roku device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the app, go to the Devices tab, and select your Roku device. Navigate to Channels, then press and hold the channel you want to remove until a menu appears. Tap Remove Channel and confirm. This method is ideal if you've misplaced your remote or prefer managing your Roku from your phone. Make sure the app is updated to avoid connectivity issues. Canceling subscriptions before removal. If a channel has an active subscription through Roku, you won't be able to remove it until the subscription is canceled. To check or cancel subscriptions, visit my.roku.com on a web browser, sign into your Roku account, and select Manage your subscriptions. Locate the channel, cancel the subscription, and wait for confirmation that it's no longer active. Once canceled, you can remove the channel using the home screen or mobile app methods. This step is crucial for premium channels like Hulu or Stars to avoid unexpected charges. Troubleshooting removal issues. If you can't remove a channel, it might be due to a network issue or an active subscription. First, ensure your Roku is connected to the internet by checking if you can stream or access the channel store. If the issue persists, update your Roku's firmware by going to Settings, System Update, check now. You can also restart your Roku via Settings, System, Power, System Restart. These steps often resolve connectivity problems that prevent channel removal. If all else fails, contact Roku support for assistance. Using the mobile app without a remote. If you've lost your Roku remote, the mobile app is a lifesaver for channel removal. After installing the Roku app, connect it to your device as described earlier. Navigate to the Channels section, select the unwanted channel, and choose Remove Channel. This method doesn't require a physical remote, making it convenient for users who need an alternative control option. Ensure your phone and Roku are on the same Wi-Fi network to avoid connection errors. RokuDiscussion.com. Understanding pre-installed apps. Some Roku devices come with pre-installed apps, but not all can be deleted due to system restrictions. For example, apps like the Roku channel may be locked to maintain core functionality. You can remove most pre-installed apps using the same methods, home screen or mobile app, but if the Remove Channel option isn't available, it's likely a protected app. In such cases, you can hide these apps by moving them to a less prominent spot on the home screen. Checking for network connectivity issues. If you're unable to remove a channel, it could be due to a network connectivity problem. Roku needs to communicate with its servers to process channel removals. Test your network by streaming content or accessing the channel store. If there's an issue, reset your modem and router, then try again. Persistent problems may require you to check your Roku's network status in Settings, Network to ensure a stable connection. Factory reset as a last resort. If you're unable to remove multiple channels or encounter persistent issues, a factory reset might be necessary. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset, and follow the prompts. This will erase all channels, settings, and data, requiring you to set up your Roku from scratch. Use this option only if other methods fail, as it's time-consuming and removes all customizations. Yahoo.com. Managing, on the Roku channel, shortcuts. Some channels, like Stars or MGM+, on the Roku channel, may not show a Remove Channel option when pressing the star, asterisk, button. In such cases, use the Roku mobile app to search for the channel and select Remove Channel from the search results. This workaround can bypass restrictions on certain shortcut tiles. If the channel still doesn't appear in the app, it may require cancellation through my.roku.com before removal.community.roku.com. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Roku channels and keep your streaming experience organized. Always check for subscriptions and network issues to avoid complications during the process. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.